This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah.
So regular expression followed by regex pattern, the regular expression character and pattern, then we can search it. So the purpose of discussing regular expression is search the pattern, search the operation, search operation, search the pattern, more specific pattern based, more specific. So the term more specific means with respect to character, with respect to string, with respect to space, with respect to special character or multiple patterns. Like this, we can find more operations. Character based also we can search.
Okay.
Okay. So there are two operation globally. One is search operation, another one is substitute operation. Substitute operation. Search operation search the pattern. Substitute operation replace the pattern. But in grep command we can do only searching only. In SCD command we can do search and substitute both. Search and substitute both we can do. So here what is meaning like finding the specific pattern? There are some few special characters. One is called anchor symbol, another one is called dollar symbol, next one is called anchor pattern, then next another one more. This is all the special character. We will use it in regex. Yeah, I mean in the group command. Another one is dot star, then character class, matching character from the begin, not matching the character, matching character at the end, finding empty line, and followed by there are some few other special character like pipe symbol around grouping and plus symbol repetition and curly braces. It's all the special character. Using this special character, we'll find the pattern in more specific pattern based. Okay. So how to search this pattern usages? For example, we will need to take some sample input file. You can take sample input data, like example this bash IP file. So from this file, I want to search bash keyword. Wherever bash is there, it will print all the lines. Wherever bash keyword is there, it will print. If you search
Okay.
the pattern, line starts with the bash, followed by input file. Line starts with bash means line starts with the bash. Okay? This will match the pattern. Line starts with the bash only. Compare the difference. This is called the general pattern operation. General pattern, and this is line starts with the bash keyword pattern. I want to find the pattern. Line starts with the bash. This portion will print.
Okay.
Now, whatever the middle bash line end with the bash, that is not matching. That is not matching here. Line starts with any single character. Line starts with the B. It will get matched. List like you can take listing all the file. From the file, line starts with the character type or line starts with the directory type file. How many directory files are there? We can count word count. The whole command written will be number. Then we can use condition if followed by test operator. Total number of directories above 10 or not. Then we can write message yes. Then we can write yes total number of directory files are above 10. Or you can write else message like less than 10. This is the first condition. Shows the pattern. To compare this conditional statement, validation purpose we are using. Conditional, what is operand value? The value is command output. What is the command? ls-l we know. Grep also we know search the pattern. But I put prefix. Line starts with anchor symbol. Line starts with quote symbol. So list of all the file names. What are the files are directory type files? That name will be starts with a D. Regular file starts with hyphen symbol. Like this list of all the files.
Okay.
I put ls hyphen L. If you put ls hyphen L, grep line starts with the D, word count, total number of directory, current directory only. If you put capital or recursive, so current directory, subdirectory, another subdirectory like this.
In grep,
Recursive,
can you only print the middle line like applex user and group those or something like, or you have to use a command?
now that we can use awk command.
Okay.
So grep is useful for searching purpose. Filtering it won't use it. Filter
Okay.
means filter column, filter row. This kind of purpose grep it won't use. The grep
Mm-hmm.
purpose is for searching purpose only. Okay, so this is the way we can find the pattern. Line starts with the bash followed by input file. Similarly, line ends with the bash to find the pattern. Line ends with the bash. Line ends with the bash. So here, bash is the line end with last one. Line ends with the bash notation. It's not matching the line starting. So
Yes.
anchor followed by pattern, line starting. Pattern followed by dollar, line ends with. Line starting, it can be anything. Line ends with this pattern. End with the pattern. And similarly, like a list to the process, I want to filter the process name ends with character H. Ends with the character H character. If you're finding H means wherever H character H is there, it will print. I want to filter only line end. Like list to
So
the
the
process. Yeah,
dollar sign is to search the end character, right?
end character.
Okay. For
Anchor,
getting begin character, we have to insert uh, this character means bash anchor
yeah,
something.
anchor. Line starting. How to find the line starts with the space. Line starts with the space. Space. So pattern followed by space. Line starts. Line start means see the coloring, the red color. So I'm finding the space. The space is one character where line starts with the space.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
space we can highlight, then only it is visible.
So within quotation, we have to highlight the
You have
space.
to identify here. If you put a
Okay.
dollar at the end means line end with the space. If you put the dollar symbol, pattern dollar.
Mm-hmm.
Once again, my system battery low. I'll put it charged.
This conference will now be recorded.
So line starts with if you want to find any pattern, this is like a formula in regular expression. Anchor followed by pattern. This is the structure. Anchor followed by pattern. Anchor pattern. Line starts with the pattern. If you want to find any pattern, line ends with pattern followed by dollar. Line ends with the pattern. Either character or string or anything.
Okay.
The same thing, if you write grep line, if you're searching general pattern followed by input file, and if a search line starts with the bash keyword input and followed by bash followed by dollar input, these are the pattern. Line starts with the pattern, line ends with the pattern. Now, if you put one more special character, dot, dot means character, single character. So, for example, line starts with or line ends with any two characters. So the output here, One dot it's called one character. Two dot two character.
Okay.
Line end with any two character. So the character means it can be anything. Space, except slash and everything will match. Even space. Line starts with the three character. So the three character. The first character is called space. Then single space. So space one, space two, like space one, space two, like the space with the two characters. Space with like this. Space with followed by. Line starts with the three characters. Okay, so now you have to observe this dot behavior. What is meaning dot? Dots means one character. Now can see the same input file. Grep line starts with the bash followed by any one single character from input file. So the pattern line starts with the bash followed by any one single character. So here bash with one character is matching. It can be space or colon or space or anything, but only one character. Command is not matching. Only matching character. So whatever the red color, that is called a matching pattern. And if you want to print the matched pattern data in grep command, like this pattern is matching, matched pattern data, matched pattern data if you want to print, use -o option. Like a normal like a grep command. You want to search bash. I want to print matched pattern only. Use -o. You'll get matched pattern data. -o is the option to output of the matched pattern. -o option. Like a grep followed by a bash keyword from etc configuration file. Wherever bash is there, it is matching. Or bash like a grep followed by root followed by etc password file. Wherever root is there, it is matching. So if you say -o option, it will print matched pattern data. The red colors only it's matching. There are three patterns. So if you want to print any specific output, use -o option. Now the regular expression here, like search the pattern like this, we can match the dot for matching any single character. And one more pattern, dot followed by star. It means list of all, list of all the pattern. List of all means in substring and all we can't find out. Line starts with there is a pattern. Line starts with A. We can filter. Line starts with A.
Okay.
Line starts with A followed by any one character. Now compare this output. Compare this the reject pattern and output. Here I have mentioned the line starting character is A.
Yes. Yeah.
Line starts with A. The next one line starts with A with any one single character. A with any one character, single character. A followed by single character.
Okay.
Line starts with A with one character. Now I want to find the substring is called a daemon, but I don't know where that. This is important. Like a line starting means we can put anchor character. Line end means we can put dollar character. But middle character we don't know where this daemon is placed, where the character is placed. So for this we can use grep. The line starts with the A. We can put list of all. So dot star. Dot star means scan complete data. So from this
Okay.
anywhere the keyword called daemon, daemon will get matched. Again, if you want to read a list of all, you can read a list of dot star. Then you can find the pattern. It's called like you can find the pattern something bin. Wherever bin is there, it will get matched. So if you don't know the pattern, like a line starts with the space followed by list of something any number followed by list of all. So the reject pattern line starts with the space space followed by number 4. From 4, list of everything. List of all like this. We can use the pattern line starting with the pattern. If you want to scan everything, you can put dot star. Dot star is a
Okay.
combination word. Scanning everything, list of all. This is dot star combination. Now one more pattern here in the regular expression. Line starting anchor followed by one more pattern is combination. Left hand side anchor pattern dollar. This is called pattern only style. Pattern only. It's like a condition. The line it contains only this pattern. There is no extra character. I'll repeat. If right line starts with bash, it will print. Line end with bash, it will print. Now the condition is line it contains only the bash keyword. There is no extra character. So that there is no pattern bash. There is no
Okay.
pattern. I'll write it here. One more keyword bash. Now we can get it second one. Compare this input file. Second line and the seventh line look like same. Second line and the seventh line. But seventh line after bash there is a space is there. There is a space. That one space is called one character. One space is one character. So, but here I'm not finding any space and all. Line it contains exactly bash word. That's why the second line is matching. Second line is matching. Seventh line is not matching. Okay.
Okay.
What is this pattern for this example? Grep followed by line number pattern dollar. Now what will be this regex pattern?
Search the starting bash and then one character,
Hmm.
then end.
End. So line it contains exactly bash with any one single character.
Yeah.
Any one single character. It's not matching the second line because second line is only bash word. Fourth line
Yes.
bash with one colon is there. Seventh line is matching bash with one space. So one space is one character. In case if it two space or three space, it won't match. I put one dot. So one dot it's called one character. Now say this example. The same line starts with the character A, list of all. Anywhere keyword is called a daemon. Okay. So again I'll print this. It will match this all. From daemon, I'm scanning list of all, finding the substring bin. Again from bin, I'm scanning list of all, the filtering. Again, I'm printing the list of all end with the character H. See the regex pattern here. Regex
Okay.
pattern. Up to this patterns are true. Up to this is fine. Line starts with the pattern A followed by list of all. List of all. Substring is called daemon. Substring is called bin, etc. The line ends with the character H is not there. Because in my above file, line ends with the character is E. False. Line ends with E. Character E. So it is not matching. The reason is line it contains exactly this pattern. In case the instead of H, if we put the character E, I'll get it. Because now this is my searching pattern. I know the starting word or starting character. And followed by some substring also I know. Anywhere in the middle portion. Line ends with the character or ends with the word. That is the last one. So the file it contains like this combination. Anchor pattern dollar combination. It's called pattern only style.
Okay.
Pattern only style operation. So this is pattern only. Then followed by next one is searching is character based search. Character based. What is meaning character? Like a single character, alpha, numerical, special character, space, any combination. How to search a character based? We can use square bracket. One square bracket is called one character. If you say two square bracket, two characters. Three square bracket, three characters. Like this, we can find multiple characters.
Empty square bracket we have to use for the finding character.
Yeah. No, three square bracket, three characters. Any three characters. Like example, say for example, I'll write A, V, RUN means the total string length is 4 characters. String length is 4 characters. Here the first character is uppercase A followed by RUN, lowercase a RUN, small u v RUN, like this.
Okay.
So regex, the first one is a single character. Character inside whatever the characters are there, that all treated as a one character only. Like if you take let's say one more character, A, B, C, 4, 5. If it is written like this, total how many character? 4 characters. 4 characters only. One is A, B, 45. This is one matched one. Then small a, capital B, 45. Like this is a combination. Or small capital E, C, 45. Or small e, capital C, 45. This all these combinations matched. Combination of matching. So the pattern, two square bracket, two characters, and followed by any two characters. So one square bracket, one character, two square bracket, two characters, like this.
Okay.
Any combination, but left to right order, left to right combination style. This is useful for character based searching. Like the same, list the process, list the process. A line starts with the space followed by number, list of all. Line ends with any character, something like G, D, S, P, something I put random characters. If it is there, this pattern should print. See the regex pattern. Line starting with the space and followed by number 4. From 4 to list of all. Line ends with any one character. Line ends with S or line ends with D or line ends with F or line ends with P. Here S and P is matching. S and P. These two characters are matching. So finding more character based. Like a grep, if you say S followed by, you can find the pattern of IP5. Wherever S is there, it is matching. Wherever S is there, it will get matched. And grep followed by,
Yeah, Karthik, in a above example, that's the dot star means search all character which
all
is mentioned
characters, this
in
all characters up
bracket.
to this,
Yeah.
yeah,
So
ends with
ST,
characters S or D or F or P.
it will
So
not
in my
mention the end dollar sign, and then it will search whatever the in the
uh,
bracket.
the bracket in the middle portion.
Okay.
Middle portion means if you not put a dollar, it will be
Hmm.
like as per my example code only this portion. Suppose if it
Okay.
is like example, I'll put some uh, say for example K. Wherever the K is there, K also getting matched. But if you
Okay.
put a
So
dollar, line ends with the K only, it will get matched like this.
okay.
If you not put a dollar, it will be anywhere. Anywhere K is there, K also get matched. K also it will get
Okay.
matching. So this is single square bracket, single
If
character.
yeah, so if you will put in bracket anchor, then it will start. It will start with the starting character, right?
Yes, starting with correct. Suppose if you take anchors, line starting with the character A, character or character K, character D, character A, something I put random
Mhm.
from configuration file. Line starts with this characters are matching. Only one character. Then I put a dot star, scan everything.
Okay.
Inside I want to find the substring is called a bus something. Will get matched. Or inside the substring is called anyone. Like wherever where then matching. Then list of all ends with the character EFG something dollar. It will get
Mm.
matched with E character matching. So
Okay.
finally, step is called pattern only step. Anchor pattern dollar. Anchor pattern dollar string.
Okay.
So this character-based searching in self-scripting we can do this style. Line like we can match any lowercase character. Line starts with any lowercase character. So this is character class. I'll repeat. Like if you put square bracket here, a hyphen z, it match any single character, any single lowercase character, lowercase character.
Starting from A to G, right?
Yeah, if you put A to Z means starts with any single character. Line starts with any single character. Single character. If you put A to Z dollar, line ends with any single character. Line ends with any single character. The same if write A to Z, line starts with any single character. Line starts with here. Line starts with any single character. Like this, if you put A to Z, line starts with any single character. Here. Line starts with any single character. Anchor followed by single character. Like this, A to Z, dollar. Line ends with any single character. Line ends with single character. Any any character, single character, either uppercase or lowercase. Like this, 0 to 9, it's called like it's matching any digit. The same rule, anchor followed by 0 to 9 means line starts with a single digit. Line starts with a single digit.
Okay.
If you put anchor inside 0 to 9 means, sorry, okay, not altered. So in scripting, A to Z, we can write this is one way. Another one more style, the term they called for six class. For six class means it's IEEE standard. We can follow any one style. A to Z, this is one way, or colon upper, like this. Uppercase character. Both are same meaning. A to Z, we can follow anyone, either this way or this style. But double open, colon, followed by double slash. If write alpha, A to Z, this is for six class equivalent meaning alpha, like this. Or if you write 0 to 9 called digit, this is equivalent to is called digit, numeric. And if I give space, the space is called space. So this is also equivalent to space notation. Like I'll show you. I want to find from the process output, I want to filter any uppercase character, any single uppercase character. This is matching. The same rule I can put upper, both are same.
Okay.
If you want to find a space, line starts with the space. Line starts with the space, it's matching. So instead of using the double quotes, we can use this for 6 class, finding space occurrences.
Okay.
Like this,
In, gra-
like this.
yeah, in
Yes.
grep also we are using the hash in pattern
Which one?
searching. Hash mark.
Hash mark we can use. This one, right? Hash
Yes.
exclamation. Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Here also, if you want to find the line starts with hash mark, hash exclamation symbol from your from listing the file. So this all the file is getting matching. Line start with the hashtag pt.sh. Line starts with hashtag. I put star listing all the files. Hash exclamatory, it will get matched. So now if you're finding the pattern line, you can say grep command. Finding the pattern here, line character class A T 5 something. What is that meaning from input file? Anywhere character A is there, character T is there, character 5 is there, will be true. Get
Okay.
matched. Anywhere. If suppose if write anchor followed by A T 5 means what is that meaning?
Starting with the ATS 85.
Correct. The same if you put A T $5 ends with character A or T or 5. Got it?
Okay.
Now if write anchor inside the square bracket A T 5 means what is this meaning? This line. This line is this not operation, not matching, not matching character A, not matching character T, not matching character 5, not matching character A, T, 5. So opposite of say the symbol, anchor symbol inside the square bracket meaning different, outside the square bracket meaning different.
Okay.
Anchor inside the square bracket, outside. Outside starts with, inside means not operation. So if I write like this, what is this meaning? Anchor inside the square bracket, what is that meaning? It's not matching any alpha. So the grep command, a grep anchor inside the square bracket, followed by. So the pattern is not matching any alpha.
Okay.
Like this, if I write grep not matching any alpha number, including quotes. Quotes means space. So it's not matching alpha numerical including space means matching characters are called special characters. So finding the special character, this is one pattern. The same pattern equivalent to in POSIX style, we can use double open colon PUNCT. Finding the special character or matching the special character. So
Okay.
not alphanumerical space character. Not matching alphanumerical space character. Finding any special character we can apply. Some command output from this. I want to filter wherever the special character PUNCT you can give. So this the recurrence Space is not matching. I'll highlight you this cursor. See, the space is not
Mm.
matching. Only the special character only is matching. This is pattern for finding the special character notation. So compare with the physics class, this will be useful finding the space, and this is useful for finding special characters. These two special characters are physics class are useful. Next, last one. Suppose if you have some empty line, finding empty line, we can use anchor dollar combination. Anchor dollar. So the output here, anchor dollar combination is finding or matching the empty line. The empty line symbol. There is no space or there is no special notation symbol.
Now, from the any file, if you'll remove the space and only search the pattern, which are the written some out means a line.
That I will show you with the set the command. Here, searching the pattern, remove the line, or search the pattern, replace the line, that we can achieve through set. Grep
Okay.
command is useful only for finding the pattern, finding the space pattern, finding the line it contains this pattern. Grep is not doing the replacement job. Grep operation is searching purpose only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, if, for example, finding some empty line or finding some space, the space you want to replace some text or you delete some space, this kind of task we can achieve through set the command.
Okay.
The same regular expression. And learning regular expression, it's only one time. The same special character we will use in set the command, AWK command. In this.
Mm.
So now this all the special character. What we discussed, it's a basic regular expression. This all this anchor pattern dollar pattern only. This all the special characters are basic regular. What is meaning basic regular? Single pattern based search operation. Single pattern. Now I want to write collection of basic regular that we call the extended regular expression. Eagle. Extended regular. Searching more than one pattern. Whenever using the special character, pipe symbol, round bracket, this special character in grep command, we can use grep command along with the capital E option. E stands for extended regular expression. Whenever you are using this pipe or compound plus symbol curly braces, we should use E, capital E option. So example here, for example, list the process. I want to find process name called Java. Process name is called something. Process name is called MySQL. Process name is called Bash. Process name is called Python. Like this. We can search multiple patterns, finding multiple patterns here. So the pipe symbol is look like a logical OR operator. The recap, what is logical OR operator? Logical OR operator true or false or true is combination searching. Any one condition true, result will be true, or both the true, result will be true. So the pattern in my listing the process, I don't have any Java process. I don't have bitfix process, MySQL process, or like a Python process, whatever I written, that process here. Any one process name is matched will be true. Matching process only it will print. Matching process name. If all the processes not matching, all the processes not match means false with the false, result will be false. So pipe symbol is useful for searching multiple pattern, multiple keyword. From a configuration file, I want to search a root user. I want to search a root like a MySQL user. I want to search some this repeat of user. Like this, I want to search multiple user from file. So this root and MySQL is there. There is a remaining pattern. And here also we can do like finding the pattern. Finding the pattern. Line starts with A to E. Only that is one pattern. Our line ends with some digit, any digit. That is one pattern. The line it contains line starts with the space. This is one pattern. Like this, we can find some file name. So the pattern, its matching pattern is only this portion only. Line starts with the A to E pattern is matching. There is no digit, there is no space. The line starting. Matching pattern is only this portion. So like this collection of all the multiple pattern we can write. We can search multiple keyword anywhere. Any one pattern is matched, result will be true. Matching pattern will print. This is pipe symbol. This will be useful for finding multiple keyword from the log data, multiple time format, multiple date format. We can search any order. That's the difference between the next one. Pipe symbol operation is searching the pattern, multiple pattern, anywhere, any order. Like pattern one, a pattern two, a pattern three, like this. Any one pattern is matched. Any one pattern is matched anywhere, any order. Any order. This is piping, like logical OR. The same if I write with the compound, the grouping, pattern 1 and the pattern 2, like this. So like here, both the patterns should get matched. Both the patterns should match same order, not alternate order. Same order. Getting the difference. Both the patterns should match in the same order. Just look like logical AND operator. This is called the grouping concept. This will be useful at that final stage. If you want to make any common pattern, we can use this grouping. For example, a cell supports a for and while loop. This is a message. I want to find grep for and select something until, like this I'll use multiple keyword. Any one pattern is there, it will be true. Now I'll put a round bracket for, another round bracket while. Now say this, both the pattern is there, but still it is not matching. The reason is I put both the pattern in the compound in the round bracket. So pattern 1 and followed by pattern 2. Both the patterns should match in the same order, left to right, same order. So pattern 1 and pattern 2. For example, in the same output here, for followed by list of for, then it will match. Again, in the same regex here, if you use while followed by for, this will not match. Compare with the compound round bracket. Both the pattern should match in the same order sequence. Even while keyword is there, for keyword is there, but why it's not matching? The left to right order, left the first portion of the data, it is not while. That's why it's not matching. Second portion of the data, the while. So the first one, for and while combination word, if it is there, it will get match. But here for followed by list of all anywhere, then followed by while. So list of all means this everything will get matched. So this kind of condition based thing we can use round bracket. Compound look like a logical AND operator. Both the condition get matched. That will get true with the true, that will be true.
But in
And whatever,
the
yeah,
above line in compound, you mentioned the for and while, but it does not match anything.
yeah, here it is matching for and while. It is matching.
Now, this is for dot star. It's matching. The above one
Yeah,
more
that's why
is what?
otherwise it is not matching because the reason is there is no for and while combination word. In between for and while there is a space and there is anti keyword. There is anti keyword.
Okay, so that's the reason you put dot star,
Yes,
one
yes,
character.
one character. If I not put a dot star, it won't match.
Okay.
Okay. So last one more one, the plus symbol. Plus symbol usage is one or more occurrences. One or more occurrence means any pattern you can write, any pattern you can write, the pattern repetition one time, minimum one time, maximum more time, like this. So it means if I say A, B plus C, the matching is A, B, C or A, B repetition followed by C. This all it is matched. Now what is the difference between star and here? Star it match everything. But here A, B, C, if write the repetition A followed by B, comma, followed by B, followed by C means this will not match. Plus will be same occurrence, same pattern should repeat. Suppose if I write like this, list the process line starts with one or more space. How to filter? Like this. Whenever you use plus symbol or pipe symbol or extend regular expression operator, use capital U. Finding one or more space. So single space or multiple space, all it will get matched. See the example. All the space is getting matched. One or more space. One or more space, then followed by any number between 4 to 5, 6. List of all. Anywhere substring is called daemon. See the sequence. I didn't put a line end with the dollar. Just I put partial data only. We know dot, dollar, square bracket and all. Let's say the pattern is plus symbol, meaning the purpose of writing plus symbol is one or more space occurrence, same space occurrences. Instead of a plus symbol, if you put a dot star, non-space character also will get matched. I want to print the same occurrence repetition, same portion repetition. Same portion of the data to repeat it. So
Okay.
here we use plus symbol, and the last one that is called the curly braces. We can use the term range operation. Range means we can write three ways. One is pattern, the given pattern repeated n times. N times. For example, A, B, 2 followed by C. Repetition A, B repeated 2 times followed by C. A, B repeated 2 times followed by C, like this. Or A, B followed by 5. Repetition C means the given number repeated 5 times. It's not more than 5, it's not less than 5. Line starts with any uppercase character followed by any digit repeated 3 times. Ends with lowercase character. See the pattern? Line starts with a single uppercase character followed by any digits. The digits repeated 3 times. Ends with the lowercase character. Ends with lowercase. So here the given curly braces before. What is the pattern? That pattern repeated n times. That pattern is repeated n. The same A, B, we put n, comma followed by curly braces C means A, B, what is n minimum n times, or I'll write the pattern. The pattern followed by n comma, I'll close it here. Minimum n times. Maximum there is no limit. There is no limit.
Okay.
So minimum n times. If we say A, B, 3 comma followed by C means minimum 3 times B should match. Maximum there is no limit, but same occurrence should repeat.
Okay. In the above example, A hyphen Z and 0 hyphen 9. Okay. So, and the three times. So 0 to 9 will repeat three times, or
3
A to
times.
Z
No, no,
only?
0 to 0 to, not A to Z. Like here, we can follow this formula.
Okay,
B repeated.
nearest number, nearest character and number will repeat.
Yeah, pattern. Yeah, pattern before whatever it is, that is repeated.
Okay.
Nearest to whatever, that is repeated. Not
Mhm.
first one, not last one.
Okay.
So if write like for example AB plus C, this is same as AB 1 comma followed by C. Both are same. But plus by default one or more occurrences. And here curly braces inside I write pattern n comma minimum one time, maximum n number of occurrences. Okay. Here we can use range also. For example, the pattern minimum n times, maximum n times. This is the pattern. Minimum and the maximum. Say for example, like you can take it like A, B, 2 comma 4 followed by C. So what is the pattern? B 2 times followed by C, 3 times followed by C, 4 times followed by C. These are the pattern is matched. If you put A, B, C, or if write like this, these patterns are not matched. So if you want to set some range, like a line starts with some uppercase character or alpha something, followed by any digit. The digit should match the minimum 2 times, maximum 4 times, or maximum whatever the number, then followed by lowercase and repetition 3 times. Like this, we can define multiple patterns, such
Okay.
pattern.
So in pattern, if you will put 2 dot 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 5, it will work? No.
No, no, that will not work. Within the curly braces, we should use only
So,
comma one.
okay.
If you write a dotted means it's considered character. So within the curly braces, that will not match. That will not match.
If we will put 2, comma 3, comma 6, it will also work or not?
No, 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 it will not work.
Only 2.
Only two character. Whatever written, this is the pattern.
Okay.
So this is the formula. It's like all its syntax rule formula. So this topic you need to understand the subtle character. This will be helpful for searching purpose, searching the pattern. Then the same pattern you can apply in SCD command. We can do
Mhm.
replacement also. So what you ask, finding the space, replacing instead of space something. So
Okay.
even finding the space, which location, line starts with the space or after yes or after some word. Like this we can find with the help of regex.
Yeah.
And AWK also the same special character we will use. Character wise, all the special character will be same.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the regex type. Then tomorrow we'll start with the SCD command. We
Okay.
can do two type of filtering, line number based filter and the string filter with the searching, the replacement, same regular expression. Then we'll move to AWK.
Okay. So tomorrow, what time we can sit? Mm,
Morning, fine. Tomorrow I'm
yeah,
available.
morning 8 to 9 is fine.
Okay. We can spend more time also tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
8 to 9 also okay. Or 8:30, 9 also. Anytime it's fine. 8 to 9 also. 8 to 9
Okay,
or
that
9:30.
okay. So
Okay.
Karthik,
Yes.
so do you have Ansible recording session?
No, Ansible, I started for corporate training. Private session, I don't. I taught in some doubts only, not classes kind of thing.
Okay,
Ansible generally in language section only I'm taking privately. Ansible,
hmm,
there is no people asking the Ansible to join private session.
okay, okay.
So I don't have. But in corporate, I used to take the session. That recording, the corporate only they will take. I don't. I can't take it individually.
So Ansible, you cover basics or from basics to advanced?
In Ansible, what I cover is one second.